Good morning, adventures. Day 4, Fort Wilderness Campground starts now. Happy 4th of July, America. So that's right, 4th of July. This is going to come out a little bit later. Won't come out actually on the 4th or even the 5th, maybe further on into the middle of July. But going to show some little bit tidbits of the firework display. We're going to head over to Epcot. Might be some separate vlogs in there because we have also a Space 220, so may include a little bit of that. And let's see what else. And we might have some other little fun surprises in store for you that are going to happen at Magic Kingdom. Have the Eagle with Uncle Sam Rainbow. 4th of July. Hey, we're back in business there. All right. So this afternoon, there's going to be a cart parade. You see those chairs? Those are some serious campers ready to see the cart 4th of July parade. Look at this. Oh my gosh, are you kidding me? Time right now is almost 10 o'clock, so it's almost half the day, and these people got their chairs checked out. So, not sure what to tell you about that. Up for Venture will not be doing that. We'll just have to wing it. All right, we're here at the settlement because at 10:30, now I don't know whether it's Air Force or Navy, not sure which, but it's supposed to do a flyby over Magic Kingdom. Now, Fort Wilderness Campground is literally right across. You can almost see the Bay Lake Tower. So I think it will fly from back to front over the castle, but we should have a pretty decent view of this spectacular little event. All right, let's go ride some Guardians of the Galaxy Rewind.
Guardians of the Galaxy.
We have no room in our ship for these new guards.
Drax, it's an honorary title. They're not coming with us.
I see. It is meaningless. Well, then welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy. Now, where's that cake toast?
It's been a while, but we are going to have lunch at Space 220, and we're going to take you along. Going to beam us up, Scotty. Let's go do it. Space 220 is, I'd just say, kind of in back of Guardians of the Galaxy, where Mission Space is, and right there, Space 220 restaurant. Either get restaurant seating, or you can sometimes get the bar. Sometimes they will do standby, but it's hard. Wouldn't count on it. Very difficult to get. Let's take a look at the menu. And there's the menu. So you got two different choices, 2-course lunch, or one choice, different times, 2-course lunch, and then it's a 3-course dinner. Okay, here we go. We're about to take a ride. How many thousands of feet above Earth? There. There's what we're going to be transported up in. Elevator dining room. Our official boarding pass to dine. There we go.
Space elevator boarding pass.
All right, here's our transportation.
Space 220 aboard the Centauri space station. Enjoy the ride.
Be sure to look down as well as up. It's not at the same time, right?
You're riding aboard the Mark V Stellarator, the latest in space elevator design and technology. Enjoy the ride. I'll be back in a bit with arrival information.
We're on our final approach.
Roger that. If you look above, into view. Once we dock, gather your belongings and exit through the open air lock. A Space 220 agent. Gravity generator active.
Airlock activated.
You're decompressing a bit from all the pressure today. That would clear that too. Straight on down, my friends will take the wood.
All right, what did he say? 10,000 feet? 10,000 miles. Oh, 10,000 miles an hour, yeah. Hopefully we're higher. Here's some of our vegetables that we will be eating today. All right, let me just get a little ambiance here of what it's like here at Space 220. Yeah, we haven't seen the lifesaver astronauts out there. There's surfer astronaut. What a cute, cool view. Love it. So we'll be seeing some space astronauts come zooming by and various other spacewalker space entities. Got another spacecraft out there posing. Here we got some spacewalkers. Oh my gosh. Alright, so our appetizers are here. I got the Caesar salad, looking delicious. Keeg's got the space greens, looking good. Breezy got exactly the same thing I did. And Mama, what did you get? Beet salad. Alright, let's dig in. I must say, lettuce, Caesar salad, much better in space. Very good. Excellent. Let's see what Mama thinks of her beet salad or beet. All right, my dear.
My
What do you
beet
think
salad
here?
is so good. I've never had anything like this. I mean, I grew up eating beets. This has got some goat cheese and some lettuce. And the flavors just paired so nicely
Tearing it
together.
up there, though.
Yes, very good. I would get it again.
All right, let's see what Breezy thinks of her Caesar salad. All right, Breezy, what do you think of your Caesar salad from
It
space?
was honestly so good, and I'd honestly get it again in a heartbeat.
All right, in a heartbeat. Bud?
I loved it. The bacon was great, and the dressing that they have on the salad is awesome.
All right, you got quite a bit there, huh? Did it again? Look at this puppy coming in here. Coming in hot. Slow and hot. All right, so our lunch has arrived. I'm going to show you mine first, which is the steak and, well, fries. So there's the steak, and I guess you want to be fancy, Fritz? Fritz. All right, so let's go to Keeg's. What? You got mac and cheese in space. They got mac and cheese. So Keeg's is kind of a picky eater, so got mac and cheese in space. Breezy, you got a nice little juicy hamburger there, huh?
Look at that pickle on those wedge fries.
Some fries. Wow. Regular hamburger with some cheese. Anything else in it? No? All right, coming to you, Mama. All right, my dearest, what did you get?
I got the chicken. It's very pretty. I love food that looks like art. I hope it tastes as good as it looks.
It does look good.
Huh.
All right, bon appetit. Real cool look here at Earth. And here's a picture of the lounge right there. And we're gonna head back down to Earth right now.
Airlock and watch your younger travelers.
We made it back to our loop, and we are waiting right now for the what? 4th of July parade. 4th of July golf cart parade. Let's be specific here at Fort Wilderness Campground. So, first time we've ever witnessed. We'll take a look at a few of the fancy golf carts that they have coming down the road here in a few seconds. Do it for the 4th of July parade here at Fort Wilderness Campground. Wow, that was crazy.
Great. I loved it.
Some of them were extremely creative.
So if that was 4th of July, imagine Halloween.
Halloween, yeah, Halloween, and I'll bet it's nuts.
Wow.
So, who knows? Well, RV, Halloween, huh?
I think it's booked already for Halloween. I think you have to book Halloween like forever in advance.
So I think I'll spice some of this in here, and I don't know, may just do a whole, because it was 30 minutes, so definitely not going to cover this in our whole day 4. But we'll put some highlights in here day 4, and I just might throw up a whole, hey, what the
Separate,
heck?
yeah.
Yeah, the meadows. Show you a little bit of the meadows shot there, the trading post there. So just a little bit. Let's show you a little bit of what you get. Meadows trading post here. A lot of Fort Wilderness merch.
Just know you don't get it on that.
Characters.
Lots of t-shirts. This place is loaded. Definitely Fort Wilderness is loaded with different individual merch for the resort. I saw these cups over here. I think we've seen these before. How cute, Chippendale. Chippendale mini headbands. Can we get this, Mama? Cute. This is cute. So we have these. Cute. And here's just a little look-see of all the general stuff. So they have some toys, some plushes, some games. We'll show you some of the cold and frozen stuff over there in a sec, and they have some alcohol up there, as well as you can get some candies. And I think some of this is actually coffees too. Or no, these are all canned. I thought these were coffees. Oh my goodness. We might have to get some of this. I thought this was all coffee. Chips. And here's some of the frozen things you can get. Pizzas, egg and sausage, cheese, burritos, as well as some ice cream. Ice cream. Ooh, Rolo. Ooh, that's probably pretty good, huh? Miss Mickey coming in. I want to show up. Nice, bud. Way to go, Keags. Happy 4th of July. That is rain. And Breezy did all of that. Way to go, Breeze. All right, so we're going to wind out our night with a little bit of beach bash. 4th of July style. And then I think we're going to hang around and try to pick up. So you can see the, well, I mean, you can see obviously the Magic Kingdom resorts, but you can see the Magic Kingdom fireworks from the Fort Wilderness, like we're saying, right? Fort Wilderness campgrounds. Or you can see it from Wilderness Lodge too. So either one of those places you can actually see the fireworks or Magic Kingdom. And we're going to catch that. So we're going to show you a little bit, probably go out with fireworks for the 4th of July. All right, so this is the parking situation here for the firework bash here at Fort Wilderness Campground. This is nuts. We're off in some, I don't know, made up parking lot area. Because this, oh, that's right, Clementine Beach, yeah. Look at this view from Fort Wilderness Beach. Actually called Clementine Beach. My Clementine. And you can see Tron all the way over there in the distance. They're doing a watermelon contest. Try to get this one right here to go at it because she can eat some watermelon. No, she didn't want to do it. All right, so we got some winners here. I think I showed all of these in our vlog. Love this one here. This is, I think, a take on the...
You can vote for them. This is
Oh,
the
oh.
You get to vote.
Oh, these aren't the winners. Okay.
They are like the finals.
Oh, okay. I know this is a take on the Muppets show. How lovely. That's awesome. Actually, I don't think I got to see this side because we were on the other side, so didn't get to really appreciate this. And I really like this one, this Air Force one. That was pretty cool. And we got a nice view of this one. And a nice view of this one, another Muppets presentation. And I think no doubt this is the most extravagant one. This is crazy. This one's pretty cool too. Here's the DJ. The bash right here, waiting for the fireworks to take off. 9:20 fireworks go off. So they got all the food trucks going out here. Looks like maybe some new ones too, I think maybe. All the food trucks here. The Crepe Company. They got some treats from the Carousel ice cream place. And his stuff is just melting all over the place.
Just a small town girl. Well, yo. Sing it. I see a little silhouette to another.
Tonight, we celebrate America, a land of many people, a country that continues to grow, a nation of courage and independence. Beautiful.
All right, so day 4, final day, 4th of July. What were our highlights? Let's say the whole trip, not just today.
So for the whole trip for me was horseback riding, but for today specifically was the cart parade.
Parade? How about you, Breeze?
Honestly, the cart parade, the golf cart parade was honestly really, really fun. Probably fun being in it, but very, very fun just watching it. So yeah, that's probably it for the day and probably for the whole trip.
So given that fact, you would like to be in it, would we RV it again?
No.
Okay.
You didn't enjoy staying in the camper?
I did. It's just some things I don't like.
Yeah.
All right, how about you, Keeks?
Yeah, probably staying in the camper again.
Okay, so I showed the winner because it was spectacular
Plus,
in the
we all
parade,
voted,
and we all voted
which
for
was
it.
really cool.
So who won?
The Liberty Bell.
The Liberty Bell. So that was one of many very good ones, but that was clearly the best. Okay, so how about today? Let's wrap up today, 4th of July.
It was a great day. The flyby was awesome. We forgot to talk about Space 220. I don't know if we reviewed our lunch, but we had a really, really good meal there too. But I think the golf cart parade was the clear winner. That beach party was pretty fun.
Beach party was pretty fun. Yeah.
Yeah, it was pretty fun, and those fireworks are spectacular.
Great view. I mean, if you didn't want to really bother with all the crowd and stuff in the hub and all that at Magic Kingdom,
Yeah.
definitely view if you're staying in Fort Wilderness Campground. I would agree. I think the golf cart parade was an unexpected highlight. I thought it was going to be kind of dorky, but man, they go all in.
Oh, and these people are serious, and I don't know. I don't think we'll lock into any Halloween reservations this year, but maybe next year.
Yeah, that would be good. So the ultimate question here, my dear. Now, we've had some trouble with the heat. Granted, it's 4th of July. It has felt like 107.
hot.
So
I think it was 111 was the high.
finally, when we got the ventilation down and was able to circulate things, even though the hottest portion of the day, it was bearable, but clearly not the cabins.
No, I love the cabins. It's actually one of my very favorite places to stay. I feel like to say that a lot. We have a lot of favorites. Would I do a camper again? Yes, I would. Would I do it in July? No.
So there you go. Maybe or maybe not. Up for adventure by doing a camper or RV or whatever.
I think like November, February, March, maybe the time frame for us.
Okay, so now the highlight of the trip. What for you first?
All the horse things.
All the horse things.
I mean, we always try to do the trail ride and carriage ride, and we love to go out to the ranch. But this time we also got the wagon ride
By
to ourselves, which was
that
amazing.
Was great. That was great. Couldn't even plan it. For me, I think Hoop-de-Doo musical review always, and I agree. The trail ride was fantastic, so that was also fun. So some of the things that we showed in this vlog definitely are gonna, 4th of July-ish. Clearly, this is not gonna come out on the 4th of July, but a little bit later. But still, in case you wanted to plan for your 4th of July here at Fort Wilderness Campground site, you know what you got to expect and what kind of fun you can have.
That's right.
Or some of the stuff just generalizes no matter what time of year it is.
Yeah, you can go looping any time of year. You can do the horse stuff pretty much year round. So.
All right, so that said, please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, as it does help our channel. We are up for adventure, and what do we always say?
Onward to our next adventure.
Till next time.
Bye.